All right, y'all. Y'all know the feeling, man. You go to sleep with your Durag on, wake up with it completely off. Waves, trash. All right, but today, I'm going to show y'all how to get back in the game with this washing style method, man. So you're just going to start off with this comb. Comb it out, combing with the grain, being careful of your crown area, making sure you're still combing towards your pattern. And then we're going to go against the grain a little bit, and then back with the grain a little bit, all right? Then I'm gonna use this little comb right here to kind of get more detailed in my crown area. I'm experimenting with it a little bit. I haven't tried one of these little combs before, but I've heard it does pretty good things, so trying that out. All right, man, so now we hitting the shampoo on there. My hair's not really dirty, like I said. This is mainly because I fell asleep with my do-rag off, so as you can see, I'm getting a lot more lather than you would normally get for your first wash on the washing style. But just remember, guys, always try to use a mirror for your brush sessions so you can make sure that all your angles are on point and you're not brushing in conflicting angles that create forks, all right? So go ahead and wash out that first shampoo. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some conditioner now just to kind of get my hair soft. Because remember, the whole idea behind the washing style is to get your hair in a more manageable condition so that your hair could lay down a little bit more easier. All right, so I'm going in, putting in a lot of conditioner now and just checking the levels, making sure I got conditioner everywhere. And then I just go ahead and put on a shower cap, all right? You can leave that on for 2 to 5 minutes. From here, I do another small brush session where I'm dipping my brush in water and kind of brushing out the conditioner as I'm going. You don't really have to do it this way. I just like to do it this way. And then after I do a small little session with that going around, then I'll go ahead and wash out all of the excess conditioner out of my hair to get it completely clean. All right, so guys, once you have all the conditioner out of your hair, you can go ahead and dry off a little bit, and this is when we're gonna apply the shampoo for our main wash. All right, guys, and for the next step, just make sure you smash that like button. Shout out to Graham Stephan. But for right now, we're using Wave Slime. This is gonna be our main shampoo. It's Wave Slime by My Fluffy Puffs. Dope products from My Fluffy Puffs. I really love the lather of the Wave Slime and the little beads that's in the shampoo. It's really good, smells really great. It's a really, really good product. I can't recommend it more. This is not a paid ad, by the way. I just really like Wave Slime by My Fluffy Puffs. I think it's really good products that they have over there, and just recommending them just purely organically. But like I said, make sure you mirror brush, pay attention to your angles. I particularly always brush from my crown, making sure that my pattern flows straight from my crown to my hairline. Wavers do it a bunch of different ways. If you like my method, this is how I do it. All right, so after the brush session, I normally just follow up with my hand real quick just to kind of go over everything, make sure I don't have anything out of place, like around my crown area. You can see right here, I'm just making sure everything is going properly with the swirl. Still a quick run over with my hands real quick before I rag up. Then what I'm gonna do here is just go ahead and rag up and then hop in the shower, which I'm not gonna show here. And that's when I'm gonna rinse all of the shampoo out of my hair, all of it. Then I'll leave it to dry for several hours, all right? So this is the no knot method, by the way, for the do-rag. Saw it somewhere online. If I can remember, I'll put the credits down below, but I know a lot of people are doing it right now, but I think it's a really good method. In any case, after you rag up, just make sure you hop in the shower, wash that out, and then keep your rag on until it dries. So I'm leaving it for a few hours. All right, guys, so it's been a few hours. I'm gonna unrag here. My hair's completely dry right now. I'm gonna take a look at it, see what the levels are. As you can see, everything is mostly laid down properly, kind of how I expected it to come out. Your hair, your results should be at the minimum like this. All right, whenever you do your washing style, you shouldn't see too much over curling or anything like that. If you're seeing things like that, then I'd recommend doing it again, because maybe you didn't rag up properly, or something went wrong in your washing style. All right, but I'm hitting it with a small light brush session again, because right now I'm getting ready to put my products in. I'm putting in a moisturizer, a couple things, and I like to get a quick small brush session in before I put any products in my hair. Also, while I'm focusing on my crown right now, this would be a great time to hit that like button and let your boy know what's up. Also, if you're not following me on the social platforms, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My IG name is IamArchitect718. Make sure you go ahead and follow your boy, all right? But now we're gonna use Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer. This is gonna be the moisturizer I use. I've used it before in the past, but I stopped for a really long time and I actually forgot that this was really effective in moisturizing my hair and actually keeping me over for a pretty good amount of days. So with this moisturizer, I find that I don't even have to use it too often. I could put it in today and go 2-3 days without having to put it again. As you can see here, I'm just working it into my hair with my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more around the back areas. Also making sure that I get enough in my crown also. And then I'll go ahead and do another brush session. Again, nothing too crazy. By the way, the brush I'm using right now is the CQP hard brush. I really love the quality of the CQPs. I'll have the link in the description below if you wanted to cop some. Highly recommend those. All right. So as you can see, I'm focusing on my weak side right now, going from my crown all the way down to the hairline. I always spend more time on my weak sides. I start with the weak side, end with the weak side. All right, I recommend that y'all try that. As I switch sides now, I come around to my strong side. You can see my connections are way better on this side. So I don't really have to spend too much time on this side. Just kind of go through the ropes, making sure my angles are good. That's why it's so good to use a mirror whenever you brush. And that's really it. Now I'm finishing off with another CQP soft brush. This is the new release that they just dropped. This brush feels really good. It's a great soft brush to finish off your brush sessions, just because it lays your hair down the most, because it is not too much pull on there. It's just kind of helping everything lay down and polish your hair a little bit more. Then I hit it with the same shower cap that I used. I'll use it for my plastic bag method. A lot of people sleep on this plastic bag method, man, but I'm telling y'all, this is really effective. All right, y'all should try it. The plastic bag method really works. All right, guys, so now this is all for shine right now. So this is Luster's Pink Glosser. All it is for shine. So I go ahead and protect my ears and my face, and then just spray it in. Hold it, I believe, like 6 inches from your scalp, and then just spray. Once I do that, I rag up, and that's it. I just leave everything to dry. All right, so I'm gonna speed through this, and then after that, I'll show you guys the results. Alright guys, so it's been a couple hours since I did the brush session. Now with the unrag, you can see how smooth my hair looks. It's really soft because of the moisturizer. I love feeling my hair right after putting in moisturizer, and it feels nice and soft. As you can see, the shine from the glosser gives it a really good shine also, and that's great for not only photos, but when you go outside, people can see your hair. It looks nice and healthy, you know what I mean? I definitely recommend both of those products, the Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer and also the glossers. They're really, really good. But yeah, that's it guys. If you like what you saw, drop a like on that video again. Comment if you want me to cover anything in the future. And make sure you subscribe to your boy. Follow me on Instagram. I am Architect718. Let me know what y'all think. At this point, by the way, I'm a little over 2 months since my scalp. All right, just remember that, guys. I scalped on March 17th, and you guys see the progress that I've made so far. So y'all could do it, man. Just get those brush sessions in, and let's get elite. Alright y'all, until next time, it's your boy Architect718, and I'm out, man. Thanks for watching my video.